Siemens Xcelerator Share is a cloud-native solution which enables seamless, ad hoc collaboration capabilities to help with communication between different departments, suppliers and customers. Here we'll see the close integration between Solid Edge and Xcelerator Share to quickly detail and solve a critical design issue. Here we have a clamp arm assembly from our Master Mover product. Feedback from customers is that in certain situations, the clamp arm itself is failing. Here Joe, the quality engineer, is going to use Xcelerator Share to detail the issue. Logging in, he can see all the different Solid Edge files which make up the design, and even the documentation in the form of Word documents. Looking at the clamp arm assembly in the embedded viewer markup environment, he can quickly add a markup which details the issue with the part. Other tools in this environment include the ability to hide and show parts, measure geometry, section the model, and even create exploded views of the assembly. Once the markup is saved, Joe can quickly choose to assign a task to a designer who will make the changes, entering a description, priority, due date, and so on. The design is automatically referenced, so all the relevant data will be at hand. Let's change our focus to Sarah, the design engineer. Here she receives an automated email containing all the relevant details of the task, including the description and the referenced files. Sarah is using Siemens Desktop Connector, which automatically synchronizes all the appropriate files to her desktop. Looking in the Projects folder, she's able to view the clamp arm assembly, and accordingly identify the reference file which Joe has shared with her. Sarah can also access the same Xcelerator Share project from right inside Solid Edge, and then open the assembly in question. Once open, she has access to the very same markup information that Joe created. After understanding the required changes, she can focus on the part that has the issue and using synchronous technology, quickly and easily change the geometry. Increasing the size of the corner round should do the trick here. Just to be sure though, Sarah will use the embedded Solid Edge simulation tools to digitally validate the design. A simple case of just solving the existing study, and she can see the results instantly. Displaying the factor of safety now shows this is within the desired levels. For reference, she can then create a report which captures all of the details of the analysis. Since she's saving it within the Share project folder, it will be synchronized to the cloud, so it's available for others to view immediately. Sarah would now like to communicate the design change to her manager, Jeff, for approval. Using the embedded markup tools in Solid Edge, she can describe the design changes that have been made. Then once done, share the design change directly from within Solid Edge by using the message option. Here she can once again detail the changes and also add that the simulation results have been shared for reference as well. Switching focus to Jeff, the manager, who has received a similar email, once again containing all the relevant information. Here Jeff can use Xcelerator Share to review the requested design change and the changes that Sarah has made, all directly on the 3D Solid Edge model with access to the same markups that both Joe and Sarah created. He's also able to view the simulation results with the built-in 2D markup tool, giving the ability to view the complete setup for the analysis, and finally the results of the simulation to validate the design change made by Sarah. This gives him all the information he needs before making the decision to sign it off for release. Seamless ad hoc cloud collaboration capabilities powered by Siemens Xcelerator Share and Solid Edge.